Hello, grandkids. It's Mema for Stories with Mema. I love old fairy tales, and some of you may like old fairy tales too, just like Sarah, when she asked for the princess and the pea. And then there's the 12 dancing princesses that Mema told those stories of. Well, I was looking for some other old fairy tales, and I found one close to it. This one is called Snoring Beauty. Not Sleeping Beauty. This is Snoring Beauty. And this is by Supita Bardhan Quallen. The Snoring Beauty. Oh no. Let's see. Okay, here we go. The night before his wedding day, the skies were dark and dreary. But in his house, a little mouse was dreaming of his dearie. Mouse grinned a goofy little grin and settled in for dozing. He needed rest to look his best. But as his eyes were closing, yep. From deep inside the tower room, there came a monstrous roaring. It shook the night as tucked in tight lay Sleeping Beauty snoring. I know someday a prince will come to break the spell, Mouse grumbled. Till then, each quake kept Mouse awake as Beauty's snoring rumbled. Poor Mouse, he can't sleep. Mouse rose to close the shutters. Then he peeked outside the tower. His eyes grew wide. A prince, he cried. I'll sleep within the hour. My name is Max, the prince announced, his manner prim and snooty. With shoulders squared, Prince Max declared, I'm here for Sleeping Beauty. Very snooty. Rushing to unlock the gate, Mouse welcomed Max, elated. From Beauty's room came snow gushum, and Mouse hopes deflated. Who waits in there? A troll? A bear? Asked Max through all the clatter. The tower shook from every nook. Small creatures ran and scattered. He thinks that her snoring is a bear or a troll. Oh no, Mouse cried and quickly lied. It's just some creaky flooring. Go on ahead, although, Mouse said, she may be softly snoring. But Max was not a bit alarmed. He said, I'll do my duty. He drew his sword and hurried toward the sleeping Princess Beauty. I like this story. As Max knelt beside to Beauty's bed, her lashes gently fluttered. Prince Max leaned in, Mouse hid a grin, and then, "Aren't you?" she spattered. Prince Max blew back, surprised and shocked. Egad, how loud! He bellowed. Oh, rats, Mouse wept. Though Beauty slept, the grrr hadn't mellowed. Mouse said, let's work together now to stop these royal sputters. I propose we hold her nose. Oh, I suppose, Max muttered. Mouse waited for a snoring pause, then pitched her nostrils lightly. Max puckered up, but then kerslap! She snored impolitely. He was going to kiss her, and Mouse was holding her nose. That's funny. Kerslap. They grabbed 2 pitchers from a shelf as Beauty lay crunching. Mouse yelled, "Heave ho!" From high and low, they gave her face a drenching. Mouse held his breath. Max bit his lip. Could this be it, they wondered? The room grew still. So now, no sound until scruff-a-ruff, she thundered. Look at her smiling as she's snoring. Let's try another plan, said Mouse, to solve this snoring pickle. Max nodded yes. Mouse said, I guess we could give her a tickle. They pulled the sheets from Beauty's feet, and soon they heard her titter. But when a room boomed through the room, both Mouse and Max grew bitter. Mouse wrung his hands and stared at Max. That's it. I'm done, Max shouted to Mouse's pleas of kiss her, please. Prince Max just frowned and pouted. I like the crown. I like the throne. I really like the castle. Max shook his head. He shrugged and said, the snoring's too much hassle. As Max walked off, Mouse heard "Karouche." He paced before the mirror. One kiss would do, but how from who? At once it all got clearer. Mouse knew what he would have to do. I hope I won't get cooties. Through roaring snores, Mouse crossed the floor and pressed his lips to Beauty's. Look at, he's giving Beauty a kiss. Mouse pulled away and spit. Phew! The day's first light was dawning. He heard a high yet sleepy sigh, and Beauty started yawning. She rubbed her tired, drowsy eyes, a sight Mouse found quite splendid. He ran outside to Max and cried, the snoring's finally ended! Max followed Mouse into the room. Go kiss her now, Mouse prodded. Max bent a knee. He said, marry me. And Beauty beamed and nodded. With just a bit of time to sleep, Mouse slumped against his bedding. He woke at 8 to celebrate his stylish double wedding. Oh, that is too funny. Aha! Mouse kissed his bride and Max kissed his. They stood together grinning. Mouse raised his cup and offered up a toast to new beginnings. But when he tried to sleep that night, Mouse woke to monstrous roaring. He clutched his ears and fought back tears, while Miss Mouse... Uh-oh. Oh, no. Lay snoring. Snuggles, snuggles. Look at Mouse, he's wide awake. Oh my goodness. This is a very cute story. Well done, author. That was very good. Mema liked that a lot. I hope you enjoyed it too. It was too much fun, that little mouse kissing her on the lips. That was so cute. All right, grandkids, Mema loves you very much. I love you. A bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I'll read you later.